Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest, yung mga hindi para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notifications from this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sagittarius, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you, mga gabay at mga blessings for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, energies and messages for Sagittarius, mga gabay at mga blessings for Sagittarius, please. Okay. Okay. You are worried about something. Maybe worried ka sa isang communication, no? Or merong gulo or sudden change, no, in the situation. Is this arguments or conflict with someone that is an air sign, Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini? Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are worried about an information or concerned kayo about success, okay, or about sa work, no? Merong doubts, no, in your situation. Okay? Parang, meron kayong also pagdesisyonan. Okay? Maybe this is a family matter, no? Merong issues or problema in the family. Okay? Kailangan ng pagkakaintindihan, kailangan maging harmonious yung relationship. But then, parang hindi yun ang nangyari. Okay? For some of you. So that's why you are making a decision whether to stay. Something like that, no? Maybe an option. You're thinking about options. Choices also, no? Yeah. For some of you, you need to understand, no? Kung ano man yung mga hindi pagkaintindihan or past events, no, na nangyari. Okay? May kailangan na forgiveness or healing na mangyari dito, Sagittarius. Okay? You are worried, no? Even sa siguro before you sleep or sa pagtulog, meron kayong mga sleepless nights because you are thinking or you are bothered of a situation. Okay? Okay, merong positive turn of events, no? Or positive shift or change in your situation right now. Okay, most especially when it comes to work. Siguro na in the past, parang ang hirap ng sitwasyon, okay? But then, merong new beginning sa inyo, no? Something exciting, no? Merong expansion and growth, most especially sa trabaho nyo to, career, kaperahan, project, something like that. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not an easy project or trabaho to. But then you will be able to overcome, no? Paano man 'tong mga challenges na pinagdaanan ninyo. Merong growth dito and expansion. Okay? Meron ka mga bagong pagkakabalahan. Kung dati, parang ang bagal ng situation, parang hindi gumagalaw or let's say for example, kung meron kayong negosyo, para bang ang bagal, parang wala masyadong kita. Okay, but now, no, may mga ideas kayong naiisip na magaganda na magbibigay sa inyo ng bagong pag-asa. Okay? Okay. So, I think you need to let go. Kung ano man tong arguments, conflict, no? Or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? With other people. Maybe this is a family member or a family dynamic or family relationship na merong gulo, na concerned ka or worried ka. You are waiting for things to settle down, kumbaga. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, when it comes sa project, sa trabaho, career man to, or business, merong hindi fair, no, na nangyayari. May mga tao na iba-iba yung motibo, no, or hindi sang-ayon sa inyo. Okay? So, I think you need to let it go. Choose your battles wisely, kumbaga, and you need to move forward. Sa ngayon, you are waiting, no? Maybe you are waiting for good news. You are waiting for information, no? Something na siguro naging an information about a project, a business. Okay? A positive information. Maybe also you are waiting for some approval, no? Approval. Okay. Okay, so you will be taking action. Okay, parang kailangan mo dito ng sipag, Sagittarius, if you want to be successful, no? Kung gusto mo ng isang magandang resulta or positibong resulta, kailangan dito ng hard work, no? You need to be creative, competent at the same time, and kailangan ng maayos na pagplano, no? Para sa isang development. Okay? Yeah, merong mga parating na mga happy events sa inyo, okay? Or siguro may matanggap ka na mga information na mawawala yung mga self-doubt ninyo, no, sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? So merong resolution dito na mangyayari, okay? Para mawawala yung self-doubt. There will be success, no? And you feel that you are superior because of the success. So kailangan ng humility dito and kindness sa mga tao na nasa paligid mo. Okay? Okay. So, I think merong disappointment dito, no? For some of you. Kung dati parang siguro merong magkakaroon ng problema or frustration dito sa isang sitwasyon, most especially pagdating sa home life mo. Okay? Kung dati parang masaya, ngayon parang na-challenge yung home life. Parang merong disappointment or rejection dito. Okay? Yeah. Kung dati merong support system, so feeling mo parang ngayon, it's you against the world, something like that. Okay. Yeah, I think siguro yung iba sa inyo, you need to take time para sa family mo. Okay? Healing and forgiveness, again, is needed. So, nag-iisip ka, no? If you have control issues, let it go. Okay? And do not hold on sa mga hurts or disappointments, no? Do not hold on. Do not dwell on that. Let it go. Release, no? You need to heal, no? Also, kailangan mo din ng, take time to heal, no? Yeah. Kung dati parang masaya, no, yung home life. Merong happiness, celebration, togetherness. Pero ngayon parang nagkaroon ng problema. Okay? Yeah. The Magician. So, take action, no? Kailangan mo ibalik yung drive and motivation sa sarili mo, no? And gawin mo kung ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin, most especially sa work mo. Okay? Yeah. Para malagpasan mo itong mga paghihirap, sufferings, or sacrifices mo. Siguro nahihirapan ka na sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, no? Sa iyong kalagayan. But then, do not give up, no? Do not quit. Just move forward, okay? You're almost on the finish line. Okay? King of Cups. So, you need to be compassionate, no? Yeah, you need to be understanding, no? Sa mga tao, kung meron may mga hindi nagawa sa inyo na tama or mali, no? Siguro kailangan lang ng pagkaintindihan dito. Okay? For some of you, you need advice also from someone kung ano yung magandang gawin sa iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. For you to have this stability in terms of your emotions, siguro you need to take action, no? Maybe resolution or pagkakaayos yung kailangan dito. Okay? Understanding of the events or past na nangyari na conflict, okay? Queen of Swords, you are clearing away all things that no longer serve you. Okay? Yeah, and now you will be, parang yung focus mo, yung attention mo, ngayon nakatuon na sa isang opportunity no? Kung saan may pera, no? Yeah, merong good news or about financial matter dito, and you are looking forward to it. Meron kang mga pag-aaralan na bago na makapagbigay sa inyo ng chance, no, opportunity to advance, no? Most especially when it comes to money. Okay? Siguro yung iba sa inyo kailangan maging busy. Yeah. You're thinking about a new direction, a change of, maybe for some of you, a travel or a change of residence, a change of job or career for some of you. Okay. Yeah, so be creative, no? Yeah. Siguro may mga ideas kang naiisip, no, about sa future mo. Kailangan mo din ng, siguro ibalik mo yung excitement sa sarili. No? Yeah. Balik ka doon sa ano mo, sa kung ano talaga yung goal mo. Back to the basic, kumbaga. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong part sa inyo na parang ang toxic, no? Maybe this is, for some of you, maybe this is a toxic attitude or toxic behavior. Or merong mga tao sa inyo na parang nagbibigay ng toxicity sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, maybe this is someone, a Queen of Pentacles, an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, parang gusto nila ng, they want you to have time for them. Okay? For some of you, this is money. They want you to provide for them. Okay? Yeah, so just take what resonates for you. Sometimes reverse yung role. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are already obsessed, no? Parang gustong-gusto mo na maging successful. Gustong-gusto mo na maging victorious. You are obsessing over advancement, no? Career advancement, or obsessed ka na sa pagiging you are, kumbaga, ano tag dito? Parang na-obsess ka na sa success na tinatawag, okay? When it comes to your money. So, temperance and the judgment. Yeah, it's time for you to move to a new direction, no? Kailangan mo pakalmahin yung sarili mo emotionally and logically. Huwag mag-isip ng negative na parang yung iba sa inyo natatrap na kayo sa negativity. Okay? Kailangan ng paghilom dito sa inyong sitwasyon. Healing is needed, no? Emotionally. Okay? Time to make a new direction. I-assess mo kung ano ang naging problema. No? Take assessment, no? Self-assessment. I-review mo yung sarili mo, anong problema sa'yo, anong problema ng sitwasyon, anong problema ng ibang tao. So you can come up with a solution, no? Or makakome up ka sa mga next move mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, this is a change of residence, a change of job, a change of career. You are looking forward to it. Okay? Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo kumalma. No? Yeah. Let go toxicity. Let go yung mga negative attachment na to. Okay? The Hermit. Yeah. So, you're thinking about your future, no? Kung meron pa bang magandang mangyari sa inyo sa future, or tinitingnan ninyo yung mga exciting na mangyayari, no, sa inyo, no, in the future. Yeah, for some of you, you need enlightenment, no, about a work, about a project, kung meron ba dyan na siguro good news or something maganda na mangyari para sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. You know you deserve better, no? So, merong desire sa inyo dito na to move forward, most especially to something that is meaningful. Okay? Yes, a decision, no? You will be making a decision. Okay? Parang nag-aantay lang kayo ng isang news, information, or balita para makapag-take action kayo ng maayos. For some of you, you need money or you need to balance your money, no? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you're doing budgeting, no? You are managing your resources, your money. Okay? Or marami kayong mga expenses or gastusin, but you are just managing your money. Okay? Binabalanse nyo lang, no? Yung labas at pasok ng pera. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, yes, merong good news dito, no? Merong healing, no, in the situation. Yung iba sa inyo, kung ano man tong new direction na iti-take ninyo, parang magbibigay ito sa inyo ng kapanatagan ng loob, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng swerte or abundance and prosperity. You will experience that, no? In this new direction. So, siguro, keep the faith, no? Be positive lang sa mga nangyayari sa inyo. Do not dwell excessively sa isang sitwasyon na negative or toxic. Okay? Kasi otherwise, hindi kayo makapagdesisyon ng maayos para sa sarili mo or para sa pamilya mo. Okay? Yeah. My good news or my news na paparating, you will be very busy for some of you, no? Left and right, yung mga gagawin ninyo. Okay? You will be working for your abundance. Okay? Yeah. Parang merong renewal sa part mo, no? Parang magaganahan, you will be motivated again. Okay? Merong healing dito, no? Fortune will come to you, no? Meron kang guiding star. Okay? Yeah. So, kumbaga, after some dark days or dark times na nangyari sa buhay mo, excuse me, so magkakaroon ka ng positive result or kaginhawaan, no? Masusuklian niya ng isang mabuti at maayos na sitwasyon, no? Yes. Sagittarius. Okay? The Chariot, no? So, take action, no? Movement is needed. Kailangan mo maging matapang, courageous, magkaroon ka ng willpower, no? Na talagang ma-achieve mo kung ano yung dinidesire mo, kung ano yung goal mo. Okay? Yeah. Para abutin mo yung pangarap mo. Action is needed. Okay? Page of Swords. No? So, get information, no? Kung anong nangyayari sa isang sitwasyon. Meron bang movement? Meron bang magandang resulta o nangyayari sa sitwasyon mo? No? Kailangan mo magmasid, no? Sa situation mo. Paano nangyayari? Okay? The Emperor. Okay? So, you need to plan for the long term, no? Long-term planning is needed for your stability, for your growth, no? Most especially when it comes sa iyong posisyon, and most especially when it comes sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong pangkabuhayan, you need to make a decision. Okay? Kailangan mo din ng disiplina dito sa sarili mo, no? At sa kung ano pa yung gagawin. Logic, no? And you need to be practical at the same time. Okay, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional. Additional messages for Sagittarius. Oops. Sagittarius. Both. Money or property through an inheritance, winner or windfall. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving an inheritance, no, a property, okay, or money. No? So, merong happy event na mangyayari sa inyo dito. A windfall of money. It's like you feel that parang nanalo ka, no? You will be getting something, a property or money from an inheritance. Dog, far away. A distant friend is thinking of you. Okay? Merong someone na naalala ka. Maybe yung matagal mo ng kaibigan na malayo sa inyo, naalala ka, or they will reach out to you. Bowl. Plenty of material things. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will be collecting, no? Or siguro meron kang mga naisip na gusto mong bilhin, no? Yeah. May. The month of May is important to you or memorable, okay? Or for some of you, month of May of next year, no, merong magandang mangyari sa inyo, a breakthrough, okay? Success. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success, okay? So, kailangan mo i-cultivate, no, yung strength, no, sa inyo, within you, no? Yeah, parang kailangan mo ng, kapanatagan ng loob, no? To assure success. Okay? Strength and kapanatagan ng loob. Tingnan natin. Sagittarius. $77. If you keep seeing the number 77, this is the message for you. It is time to move on from the old patterns, habits, and fears. Now is the time to walk in the direction of your biggest desires and ambitions. Now is the time to be bold and brave. I am brave. Okay? So yeah, now is the time to plan for your future, no? Long-term plan, no? Tsaka magkaroon ka din ng ambisyon, no? Para sa sarili mo, no? Lalo na when it comes to your work. It's high time for you to take or to move to a new direction. Okay? One more. Sagittarius. It's time to hit the reset button. Clear out the old so that room is available for the new to enter. Trust that better things are coming fast. Prepare to move to the next phase of your life. This is your rebirth. Welcome this beautiful brand new energy. You've got this. Okay? So again, so welcome the new, no? Make room for better things, no? Okay? So Sagittarius, prepare yourself, no? Merong magandang mangyayari sa inyo. Get ready for that. Okay? So Sagittarius, maraming salamat. All the best. And see you on the next video. Bye!